host the Sister Cities Summit.
An organization that really strives to talk about ways where communities across the world can come together.
It's the fourth in a series of binational summits designed to strengthen the relationship of sister cities.
It'll be here in El Paso and in Ciudad Juárez, so it's a very good program.
Mayors and city leaders from both the United States and Mexico will gather during the three-day summit to share ideas, exchange best practices, and discuss the challenges that impact the border region, as well as the importance of working together.
There are cities in the interior of Mexico that are going to be visiting El Paso maybe for the first time.
Organizations and residents from both sides of the border are encouraged and welcomed to attend.
We also intend for this to be available for people who are in nonprofit organizations, for people who are, city employees across different cities in Mexico, different cities on the U.S., for people with a background in, manufacturing, or if you're in banking, or if you're in the tourism industry.
The summit includes informational sessions and forums from industry leaders.
It's actually meant to be very interactive. We don't want people to just come into a conference room. I think it's meant to have different types of panel sessions, but we also want for there to be optional tours. Please come out, just get to know a little bit about your city, whether it's El Paso or Ciudad Juárez. Come with an open mind, and believe me, you'll be completely surprised at the opportunities that you can build and the relationships that you can make while here.
The Sister Cities Mayors Summit takes place February 26th through the 28th at the Convention Center. For more information, go to visitelpaso.com. A new tourism initiative that uses digital platforms to inform business travelers and tech-savvy visitors about our region is up and running. It's called Visit the Borderplex. City Manager Tommy Gonzalez, along with Juárez Mayor Armando Cavada and other community and business leaders, took part in an official campaign launch in our sister city of Juárez. The campaign uses a phone app, maps, and interactive digital screens where users can find venues, restaurants, and other interactive information in El Paso, Juárez, and Las Cruces. More than 500 businesses from around the border area have signed up to promote their service. The goal is to promote regional tourism in the 3 countries, 3 states, and 3 cities that make up our region. Digital screens will be placed in various hotels. The app, called BPX, can be downloaded free. It's a great way for visitors and residents to explore the border region. The El Paso Fire Department has new vehicles that are helping them respond to everyday emergencies more quickly. A special wet down ceremony at Fire Station 28 in Northeast El Paso officially welcomed Quint 28 and Rescue 28 to the fleet. The ceremony is tradition across the country, where new fire units are sprayed down, hand-dried, then pushed into the fire station. Firefighters are now using both emergency vehicles to better serve residents during emergencies.